Hey everyone, Mac here from Minard's Leisure World. Today we're looking at the new 2021 Transcend 240ML. Now you're going to notice a few differences, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all of the changes for the 2021 models, starting at the front. Of course, the first thing, new aesthetic package. The exterior has changed. They're going much more modern and very sleek. I really like this gunmetal tone that they're adding to the black and white. It's just a very sharp look, keeping it on the cutting edge. So great job, Grand Design. If we carry down the side, you'll see they're carrying on with the strong wall exterior that they made very popular with their Transcend line. This is the thickest metal I've seen on any travel trailer. They've also got it backed with a material so it doesn't compress very easily. Very hard to dent this stuff, and it's got a really scratch-resistant matte coating on it too, very thick. At the front of the coach is our pass-through baggage compartment. You can see they're carrying on with the magnetic door catches. In the baggage compartment, it's very well finished with motion sensor lights. On the other side are our water hookups as well as the charge controller for the onboard solar panel right from factory. All these units will be coming with them. We're going to talk more about that in a minute though once we head inside. Carrying on with our campsite is our 12-volt power awning. Staying true to their change last year, they're not doing the LED light strip. They're actually doing the LED light bar, which I think is a more durable, long-lasting option. And it does a great job of casting a nice soft floodlight into your campsite. The entry door is still paired with a screen door. We really love that. You'll see this is a tandem axle trailer with the Lion's Head Westlake tires. The only tires in the industry coming with a 1-year, no questions asked warranty, as well as the ever popular sturdy steps. These actually flip up inside the coach for transit and they rest on the ground when they're deployed, so there's no bounce, no sag. They're the best stairs out there. Coming further back, we actually have a coax hookup for an exterior TV as well as 110-volt outlets and easy water heater access right there. That's the panel. Quick look at the back and we'll go in. So just really quickly, we've got the 4-inch steel bumper off the back. You can add whatever accessories you want there and we'll teach you how, as well as the fully mounted ladder to access the fully walkable roof. If you need to get up there and clear your solar panel off, you can climb on up. If you need to check your vent lids, you can do that as well. Very nice to have. And then our backup camera prep. It's pre-wired, the bracket's there, it's sealed, it's mounted, ready to accept the aftermarket system. All right, so we just stepped foot inside the 240ML. This is a killer couples coach layout, and I'm about to show you why. When you first walk in, storage is unbeatable. We've actually got a closet right here by the door. This can be either hanging space or you can use the included shelves. This shelf is removable, so you can hang your coats here. You can stack extra shoes if you want. There's some more drawers, good grab and go spots. A little frosty because it just came in. And right beside me is actually a small hutch with dedicated shoe storage. I'm going to get out of the way, let you see those cubbies with the drawers up above. There is a power outlet by that countertop. It's a great stash spot right by the entry door. So moving just ahead a little bit in the coach, we're going to tackle our seating options. So on the camp side, right next to a nice sized window, is our 4-seater dinette. This is carrying on with the faux live edge, true cherry wood, hardwood tabletop. The seats will convert into another bed if you need, and there's some quick access storage underneath. You can still access it by going under the cushions as well. And above the dinette is our entertainment stand. Really smart spot for this. The TV's included. It's actually on a swivel mount. And our main head unit's right beside here. Typical stuff, CDs, DVDs, AM and FM radio, and Bluetooth to your phone. But what I like about this is that it's right across from our theater seats, the most comfortable seating option, which are actually located in the only slide on this coach. So the theater seats themselves are a manual recline. They've got storage in the middle. Very, very comfortable. Not a whole lot to say about them, but very popular option. If we carry down in that same slide out, we're going to start running into the kitchen, and namely, a big change for 2021 is the Furrion fridge. I want to talk a lot about this. This is our 12-volt fridge. They're changing from the two-way RVs to the single 12-volt. This is a larger capacity, over 10 cubic foot of storage space. It's very, very efficient, cools down much faster than the RV fridges. They're quieter, and what's really cool is these 12-volt fridges can be run safely while you're towing on the road. Old school guys have run the propane ones while towing. It's not safe, it's not legal. This is, and it will stay charged up from the onboard solar panel, or when you're towing your rig, your tow vehicle is going to charge the onboard battery. If you want to talk more about fridges, just give us a call. We'll walk you through it all. We're very knowledgeable. but we're really happy about this change. Coming down from the fridge, here's our cooktop with really good prep space either side, nice power outlet access, and our microwave up top. There's good pots and pans drawer underneath. Of course, lots of storage all around. Grand Design's always been good for that. Overall, just a great kitchen layout. The sink is just a little further back with, again, more space to set stuff, more storage, beautiful overhead cabinets. I really like the glass inserts. They're still doing the big farm sink with residential faucet, so you can divvy that up however you like, or you can do a lot of dishes all at once. Just really quick note on the cabinetry. This is the same high-end construction as their really nice reflection fifth wheel, so good long-lasting cabinetry. You got to feel it to really appreciate the difference. And now to finish off the back end with the bathroom, there's a pocket door to get in here to reserve our foot space. You can see all of the cubbies, those storage in behind the mirrored medicine cabinet. There's our sink and vanity with storage underneath. This is a foot flush porcelain bowl toilet, and then in the back is our large square shower. There's lots of headspace, lots of elbow room, and they're using the Nautilus shower door screen system. Again, please ask us if you have any questions. Finally, in the very front of the coach is our master bedroom, and not a lot has changed up here. They're keeping it consistent with the full queen mattress that's 60 by 80. There's a couple of reading lights up there that you can manually control, an overhead cubby that's just plain open. You can secure this however you like, and storage space on either side. This is going to be converted from last year. We've now got shelves. They found that with shelves you can actually fit a heck of a lot more clothes than you can with a hanging rod, so don't get too upset. They're thinking about you and the end user, how they're going to get the most bang for their buck. Beside the bed on each side is power access. There's one 10-volt outlet power access on that side, then one 10-volt outlets and USBs on this side. There's also a spot to hang and mount a TV with hookups, and a couple of opening windows in here too for some airflow. So there we go, that's it. That's my walkthrough, quick walkthrough of the Transcend 240 ml. Just a couple quick changes for 2021. Keep in mind the big changes: 12-volt fridge, new exterior, and then all the other great stuff about Transcend. Great insulation, oversized holding tanks, really high quality. Really, you're not going to find a better camper for the money on this one. So if you'd like to learn more, make sure to check us out online at minardsleisureworld.com. We've got our YouTube page you can follow for more videos like this, and keep in mind we have 2 locations now to serve you better. One up in Watrous and here in Weyburn, Saskatchewan. I'm looking forward to meeting you soon.